In this video, I will be showing you how to fix the Chatgpt app if it keeps crashing on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, I start from the home screen and open the App Store. Once the store loads, I tap the Search tab at the bottom right and select the search bar at the top of the screen. I type Chatgpt into the field and select the matching search result to bring up the application page. Here, I see that the app is already updated because it says Open next to the icon instead of Update, so I can tap on the icon to view the application details. Since the app is up to date, I go back to the home screen to find another solution. Next, I swipe down on the home screen to open the search overlay, type Settings into the search bar, and select the Settings app from the results. Once inside the Settings menu, I scroll down through the options until I find the General section and tap on it. From the General menu, I look for iPhone Storage and select it to view the breakdown of saved applications on the device. I scroll down past the list of larger applications, passing apps like TikTok, Photos, and Instagram, until I locate Chatgpt further down the list. I tap on Chatgpt to open its specific storage settings, which displays the total app size along with the documents and data details. To clear out potential glitches causing the crash, I tap the blue Offload App button. A confirmation pop-up appears at the bottom explaining that offloading will delete the app but preserve its data, and I tap Offload App again to proceed. I wait a few moments while the system processes the request, showing a loading indicator where the option used to be. Once completed, the interface updates, and I tap the newly appeared blue Reinstall App button. I wait for the reinstallation process to fully finish, during which the app size data recalculates. After the loading circle disappears in the original Offload App and Delete App buttons return, the process is complete. Finally, I close the Settings app and return to the home screen. I tap on the Chatgpt app icon to open it up fresh. To test if the crashing issue is resolved, I enter a prompt into the conversation bar at the bottom, typing out a request for 5 book recommendations that help improve communication skills. I tap the blue upload arrow to submit the message and watch as the application successfully processes the input and begins generating a detailed response without closing or freezing, confirming that the application is now stable. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.